Growing citrus in North Texas is achievable. The key takeaway is going to be to put your efforts in varieties that can handle lower temperatures, and then making sure to cover those plants at the first signs of frost. Leaving your citrus trees in pods in North Texas actually makes a lot of sense when you really think about it, because it gives you the ability to maneuver around should those temperatures start to drop. And when it comes to containers, you want to find a container that's at least a minimum of 18 to 24 inches or so you're looking at about 2 feet. This is going to create optimal growth conditions for root development. And as we all know, 50% of all plant growth happens below the soil. And now, speaking of soil, make sure that your soil has proper drainage. Citrus trees do love water, they just don't like standing in it. And be sure to fertilize with a well-balanced citrus fertilizer during the growing season. And be sure to look out for pests like spider mites. I'll make sure to place in the comments how to take care of spider mites in conditions when you have temperatures over 80 or 90 degrees. Now, the Meyer lemon tree that we're looking at today is actually not my tree, but this is a healthy, well-established specimen that I definitely wanted to share with you. My personal tree back home is about 2 to 3 years old and is actually in a container. As you can see, even while on vacation, my dedication to helping you grow is still persistent. And as always, should you have any questions, make sure to leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.